Wolfgang,
哎，你好
how are you thinking about a lot of people, the country fighting?
，no good 啊
No good, very
No
no
good
good.
啊
Very no good.
？Who no good 啊
嗯，
？People fighting no good 啊
战争不好是吧？So you, how you thinking about the Iran?
？Iran?
Yeah.
Iran poor people, only oil. Mr. Donald Trump wanted the oil, but don't get the oil from Iran. 那没有。
他说美国想就是把伊朗收了，想要人家伊朗的石油。他说，但是伊朗人民不给他，不会让他们侵略掉，So China is very lucky, if stay here,
Very safety.
very safety,
China safety.
really.
You really, but too much people.
他说，在我们中国的话，他说中国是非常安全的啊。他说我们中国的人口也很多。他忙着跟安安玩，安安。
啊，你好，啊。